Kate here at WTI, and if you need a spot to store all your many pairs of shoes, but you don't have a lot of space, this shoe rack from ZOES Homeware is amazing. I love how it takes up such a small footprint, but you can still load it up with all of your shoes for the whole family. So I personally have this in my bedroom. You can use this in an entryway, anywhere you need some shoe storage. Now the cool thing about this storage rack is that you can put your shoes however you want. Personally, I like to hook my heels on the little metal bars, but if you want to flip it around and have your shoe leaning the other direction, it would work perfectly fine for that too. So it's good for heels, for flats, for wedges, for all sorts of things. The racks are really angled, so that makes it so that it doesn't take a lot of room. So even tucked behind a door or in a closet, you're going to save yourself a lot of space. So here you can see how much space there is for a women's size 9 shoe. And then these are my husband's size 12 shoes, and this is how it fits. So just so you have a bit of an idea of how much space there is based on what your family's needs are. It's got a really nice wood grain top, so it looks stylish. The racks themselves are made of metal. They're nice and sturdy. It's really simple to put together. It comes in just a few pieces, and in a matter of minutes, you have yourself a shoe rack. So if you're looking for a storage solution, I think this is a great one, and that's my point of view.